Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel if you like the content. Chapter 41. Leaving a legacy of love, support, and unity. What legacy really means. When people think about leaving a legacy, they often focus on material wealth or accomplishments. But the most meaningful legacy you can leave isn't money. It's the love, support, and values you pass down through generations. A legacy isn't built in a single moment. It's created in the everyday choices you make. The way you treat others, the traditions you uphold, the values you instill in your children, all of these shape the lasting impact you have on your family and the world. Leading with love. At the heart of every strong family legacy is love. It's the foundation that holds everything together, even in difficult times. Love is shown through small daily actions, being present, offering encouragement, and showing kindness without expecting anything in return. Ways to lead with love. Express affection through words and actions. Prioritize quality time with family. Listen with empathy and without judgment. Show forgiveness and understanding. Pro tip: never underestimate the power of saying, "I love you." Even if your family already knows it, hearing the words makes a difference. Life example: the handwritten letters. A grandmother writes heartfelt letters to her grandchildren, sharing wisdom, encouragement, and stories from her life. Even after she's gone, her words continue to inspire and comfort them. Creating a culture of support. Support is one of the greatest gifts you can give your family. Whether it's celebrating achievements, offering comfort in hard times, or simply being there to listen, creating a strong support system ensures that your legacy is one of unwavering encouragement. Ways to build a supportive family culture. Celebrate each other's successes, big or small. Encourage open and honest conversations. Be a safe place for family members to turn to in times of need. Offer help without expecting something in return. Pro tip: start a family check-in tradition where everyone shares one thing they need support with. This creates a habit of helping each other without judgment. Life example: the encouraging texts. A father makes it a habit to send his kids encouraging texts before big tests or important events. Years later, his grown children continue the tradition with their own families. Teaching the value of unity. A family's strength comes from its unity. That doesn't mean everyone always agrees, but it does mean sticking together, respecting differences, and working through challenges as a team. Ways to build family unity. Establish family traditions that create shared memories. Teach conflict resolution with respect and patience. Involve every family member in decision-making. Foster a sense of belonging, no matter how big or small the family is. Pro tip: create a family mission statement together, something that reflects your core values and what being part of your family means. Life example: the family meetings. One family holds monthly meetings where everyone, including the kids, gets a say in upcoming plans and decisions. This tradition keeps everyone connected and valued. Passing down wisdom and values. One of the most lasting ways to leave a legacy is through the lessons and values you teach your children and grandchildren. They will carry these lessons forward, shaping future generations. Ways to pass down wisdom. Share family stories and personal experiences. Teach the importance of honesty, kindness, and perseverance. Lead by example. Kids learn from what they see, not just what they hear. Write down or record your life lessons for future generations. Pro tip: start a family journal where each generation adds wisdom, memories, and advice. It becomes a priceless treasure over time. Life example: the Sunday Wisdom Talks. Every Sunday, a grandfather shares a short life lesson with his grandchildren over breakfast. These lessons become cherished moments that the family continues for generations. Making memories that last. Memories are the heart of a family's legacy. More than any material possession, the time spent together laughing, learning, and growing is what family members will remember most. Ways to create lasting memories. Take family trips, even if they're just local outings. Capture moments through photos, videos, or storytelling. Create yearly traditions that bring everyone together. Simply be present. Sometimes the best memories come from everyday moments. Pro tip: keep a memory box where family members can place small items or notes from special moments to look back on in the future. Life example: the holiday storybook. A mother writes down one funny or special moment from each holiday celebration. Over time, the book becomes a cherished collection of family memories. Conclusion: the legacy you leave behind. A true legacy isn't about what you leave for your family, it's about what you leave in them. The love, support, and unity you cultivate today will shape the generations that come after you. Your words, actions, and values live on through the people you touch. By leading with love, supporting one another, and creating lasting traditions, you ensure that your family's story continues long after you're gone. At the end of the day, the greatest legacy you can leave is the knowledge that your family was loved, cared for, and united, because that's what truly lasts.